What's going on, ladies and gents? Caleb McAllister here. Thank you guys for joining. I wanted to show you guys these new solar pathway lights that I was just sent to try from the folks at Gigalumi. I'm going to pull another one out of the box here so that you guys can see how to assemble it. So we're going to take the top part out. We are going to remove the plastic over the solar panel on the top. If I can get it off of my fingers. All right, now we're going to twist the top off, pull out this cardboard tab. We're going to click the off button to the on position. Now we line these tabs back up with the slots and click back just a slight turn to get it into place. Now we take the stick, slide that into place, pull the spike out of the bottom of the stick, flip it around, and slide that into the bottom of the stick. We are now ready to mount. Stand by. I'm going to show you guys what these look like outside. And here are the lit up torches working perfectly, and they are absolutely beautiful. Check them out, guys, at the link below. Thank you for being here, and have a great night.